Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie's Stuff. I'm Soozie, and this is my 60-second DIY. What's it going to be today? Well, I found white styrofoam pumpkins at Dollar Tree. Yes, that's right. I am so excited to bring you one little short 60-second DIY with those white pumpkins. Here we go. Yay! I was so excited to find these white styrofoam pumpkins. We always see them in orange, but this year they're white. So I'm just going to use one of those, and I'm going to use some twine and then one little bitty piece of foil paper. I need a clock. Bing! There it is. So all I need is 4 long strips of the twine. I just measured it all the way around and cut 4 pieces. And that will actually make 8 little divisions on the pumpkin. I'm not going to go in every little divot, but I'm just going to start on the bottom and then hot glue it all the way around. And I do that 4 times. All right, so this part is done. So now all I did is take my little foil piece and I tried to make a little stem. I tried to make it a little curlicue, and it's actually kind of funny here because I wrap it all the way around. And that was super easy. I just wrapped and put a little bit of foil. But when I put it on the pumpkin, it was just too big. And so you'll see me here cut off just a little bit. It was hilarious. Look at that. It's a big old thing. So I just cut it off, pinched it together, and then I just fixed up the top. And yikes, I have about 12 seconds to go. So I just grabbed some of this new fall ribbon from Dollar Tree, the little gingham fall colors, and made a quick little bow, added it to the top, and that is it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, but wait a minute. I add some little berries, and there you go. I made it just in time. This was such a fun little quick project for you, and I know you probably can't do it in 60 seconds, but I like to bring it to you in 60 seconds so it's quick and you get the idea and you can just go with it and add maybe another ribbon or any other thing that you like. I love that these pumpkins are already white and you don't even have to paint them. So yay for us this year, and thank you, Dollar Tree. And I also want to thank you for joining me today. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Tuesdays are my 60-second DIYs, and Saturdays are my full DIY episode. So I'll see you next time on Soozie's Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.